So friends, finally what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how you can actually add different models to your stable diffusion so that you can get better images. Now remember, the images that I have created today were created using Experience 70. If you want to create similar types of images, then you need to download and install experience underscore 70 in your stable diffusion. But if you're a new user, then you are probably going to be stuck with the stable diffusion 1.5 version, which is v1.5 Chrome as it's stated here. So now I'm going to show you how and from where you can download these fantastic models and where do you need to place them. So in order to download fantastic models, you need to go to this website cvti.com. I'm going to give you the links of this site in the video description. So as you can see, if I again go to the root of this website, it has many different fantastic models that you can download, and each of these models create different types of images. So as you can see, some of these images are actually blurred out because these are NSFW, which is not safe for office work models. So you can create those kinds of images if you want. I'm going to keep it hidden because I don't want YouTube to ban my channel for showing NSFW images. But these are the various different kinds of checkpoints. So you can actually, for example, if you want to create images like this, you can enter this model and you can see what various other users have created using this model. So as you can see, you can create anime type of images in this model, and here is the user gallery. Basically, people who have created different images using the same model. I'm going to create a video later on how to use this website not only just to get great models but also to get great prompts. Now, in order to download, you will find that at the very top there is this button, which is a download button, which will usually download the latest version of this model. Sometimes all of these models have various different versions. For example, this one, the Guofeng 3 model, has version 3.2, 3.2 Lite, and 3.3. And clicking on this will download the latest version, which is 3.3. If for some reason you want to download 3.2, then you have to click here and it will take you to a 3.2 version page or site, and then from there you can download the older version. But for most purpose, you want to download the latest, so you can go here and then download by clicking here. So when you click the download button, I am using a downloader, so the downloader will kick up in a minute. So as you can see, the file is now ready in the downloader to be downloaded, but you need to download in a very specific location. So I'll show you the location. The location is you need to go to the root folder of your Automatic 1111 installation. So I'm going to the root folder. So this is my Automatic 1111 installation, and over here you will have the Stable Diffusion Web UI folder. So you need to go there, then you need to go to the models folder, and then you need to go to the stable diffusion folder. And if you download your models here, they will actually show up in your stable diffusion. Now you're wondering, why don't I have any models? That is because I use a different folder where I put all of my models, and I have different stable diffusion generators which all point to the same folder. So which is why I don't have my models here. But if you're going to use only Automatic 1111, then this is the location that you need to download your model files in. So I'll just grab the link of this folder from here, and I'm going to paste it here and then download. So when this is downloaded, it will show up here. You might have to press this button. So let's wait for my model to download. So friends, as you can see, my file is downloaded, my model is downloaded, and now I need to go and press the refresh button here, and I think it has been refreshed, so the model is here. So I'm just going to load the model and now going to generate the same prompt using this model. So guys, as you can see, with the same prompt and the same negative prompt, the new model gave me a different kind of an image. It is a cyborg girl, but it has this anime-like appearance. It's because this model was trained on various type of anime images. So friends, we are ending the tutorial for today. So hopefully with this tutorial, you now know everything that you need to know to create or generate great images using Automatic 1111. I will create some more videos in this series that will explore different other parts of this Automatic 1111 interface, and you will learn new tips and new techniques that will make you an established AI image generator. I create AI related videos every week. So please subscribe my channel if you want to watch those videos. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.